Hello everyone. Welcome to this video. This part is about prepositions which come with verbs, nouns and adjectives. This topic is very important and practical. Please focus on it and watch up to end. The choice of prepositions in a clause often depends on the adjective, verb or noun which comes before it. First part is about prepositions which come with verb. Verbs of saying or thinking are often followed by about when we want to indicate the topic. We use the preposition about with these verbs: care, complain, hear, aim, learn, say something, talk, think, warn, wonder, worry, write. We use at plus person or thing after some verbs: aim, fire, laugh, look, point, shout, yell, to follow who or what is the focus of the verb. For example, if they shout at me in class, I am not sure what I will do. The other verbs which the preposition at comes after them are know, look, point, yell, laugh, shout, offer. With the preposition between, we have choose, decide, differentiate, distinguish. We often use for after verbs that show desire to introduce the thing we want. For example, I am aiming for a good mark in my next assignment. Pay attention to these verbs which come with for: apologize, apply, forgive, aim, hope, long, prepare, search, watch, wish, wait. With the preposition from, these verbs come learn, prevent, stop. With the preposition of, these two verbs come assure, convince. The preposition on come with these verbs concentrate, count, insist, depend, rely. Some verbs of saying such as apologize, explain, present, speak, talk, write, are often followed by to plus person to show who the speech is directed at. Example: have you talked to anyone who has done this course? These are list of verbs which come with to: apologize, explain, present, speak, talk, write. The preposition with comes with the following verbs: be, deal, go out, play, stay. You should know that we do not use a preposition with marry. She married him last year. Not she married with him. Some other verbs of saying or thinking such as discuss, debate, consider, mention, do not need a preposition. For example, that way you can learn about teaching before being asked to do it. We use to after aim, hope, and long if they are followed by a verb. I am hoping to get a better mark than last year. Some adjective as same as verbs come with some prepositions. With the preposition about come these adjectives: anxious, concerned, depressed, excited, annoyed, upset, worried. Adjectives talking about ability are often followed by at. I am not very good at math. These are amazed, annoyed, astonished, awful, bad, good, clever, excited, skilled, surprised, terrible, useless. Adjectives which come with a preposition by are amazed, annoyed, astonished, concerned, disturbed, impressed, inspired, surprised, shocked, excited. Adjectives which come with a preposition, for, are, bad, concerned, good, responsible. We use the preposition, in, for these adjectives. Disappointed, interested. Some adjectives describing fear such as, frightened, scared, terrified, can be followed by, of. Example, there are some aspects of the course that I am a bit scared of. Most people are frightened of being in front of class for the first time. These are scared, frightened, terrified. Adjectives describing behavior in a clause starting with it, that, or this, are often followed by of. For example, would you like a cup of tea or coffee? That very kind of you. These are the mentioned adjectives. Aware, clever, cruel, generous, good, kind, mean, nasty, nice, polite, rude, selfish, true, typical, unkind. Adjectives describing behavior directed towards others are often followed by to. For example, I am worried about the pupils being rude to me. The adjectives come with to, are, cruel, kind, good, mean, nice, polite, nasty, rude, unkind. The adjectives come with to, are, cruel, kind, good, mean, nice, polite, nasty, rude, unkind. The last part is related to prepositions come with nouns. The preposition, about, comes with anything, information, nothing, something. We use for with the following nouns: excuse, ideas, in turn, explanation, reputation, need, reason, responsibility. We use the preposition in with the following nouns: change, decrease, drop, experience, fall, increase, rise. The preposition on comes with these nouns: effect, impact, influence. We use the preposition with these noun. In association, experience. We use the preposition by for four conditions. 1. To talk about who in a passive clause. For example, but you will be taught how to deal with those things by the tutors on the course. 2. To explain how something is done. For example, you can remove any dirty by wiping it with a wet cloth. 3. To talk about transport and communications by plane, email. For example, we will be in touch by email soon if that is okay. 4. To talk about chance, for example, by chance, by accident, by mistake. For example, I saw the advertisement for the job by chance and decided to apply for it. We use the preposition in for the following expressions: in love, in pain, in private, in touch, in debt, in danger, in a rush, in fashion, in lick, in the end. For example, don't forget to keep touch while you away. We use the preposition at for the following expressions: at work, at home, at school, at the airport, at university. For example, I have just finished my first degree at Stanford University. We use the preposition on to say why you are somewhere, on holiday, on business, on duty. We use the preposition of with expressions of quantity such as all, any, both, either, neither.
We can use noun, pronouns or ing
after a preposition. For example, I was really impressed the description of the course in your prospectus. In negatives, not
comes between the preposition and ing. For example,
I am worried about not being able to control a class. Thanks for your watching. Please, if you like the video, subscribe the channel and press the like button. Thanks.